Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have x squared, y squared and xy. They are degree number 2. So we can use about homogeneous. So we put about x equals to y vy in here. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about dx over dy. First derivative of v, you got about dv over dy multiplied by y. Plus first derivative of y, you got about v. So this is about the product rule of derivative. So I will change s into vy. Similar for this one. This one we change by this one. Now we need to expand this one. Similar for this one. Now we need to simplify y squared for the both sides. Next, we divide both sides by v squared plus 2. Next, I will put v go to the right. And you got about negative v. Now we do common denominator. So negative v multiplied by v squared and number 2. So this one you got about negative 2v. V minus 2v, you got about negative v. And now we have negative negative, we can put in here. So this one we can put on the left, dy and y we put on the right. Now we put the integration for the both sides. Now we can concentrate about this one only. Now we can do about factorization by this one. Next, number 2 we can put into 1 plus 1. So v squared plus 1 divided by v squared plus 1, you got about number 1. So we have 1 over v plus 1 over v multiplied by v squared plus 1. Next, I will add v squared in here. Later that we need to minus about v squared. So v squared plus 1 divided by v squared plus 1, v squared divided by v. So we have about 1 over v minus v over v squared plus 1. So this one you got about 2 over v. And now we have the final answer. The integration of 2 over v, you got about 2 ln of the absolute value of v minus 1 over 2. And this is about ln of the absolute value of v squared plus 1 because if we do this integration, you got about this one in here, and we put about c. Now we return back to this one. The integration of this one, that's e about this one. The integration of dy over y, you got about ln of the absolute value of y, and we put about c. About v, that's e about this one. So we need to divide both sides by y. And then we put this one to change for v. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to negative number 1, y equals to number 1. So I will put negative number 1 go in here, number 1 in here. Similar for this one. This is about negative number 1. This is about number 1 in here. This is about number 0. This one you got about 0. Now we simplify, and you got about c equals to negative 1 over 2 ln number 2. Now we change the value of c into this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.